Welcome to our YouTube channel. It's me, Romella. Ito na pala yung araw na pinakahihintay talaga naming mag-asawa, guys. Ito kasi yung araw ng aming termin or ng aming appointment para mamaya ko na i-reveal. Pero guys, grabe, so thankful talaga kami kay Lord for providing in everything. And also guys, for guiding us sa aming mag-asawa.
Reiske das Auto auf ihren Namen zulassen darf. Die sogenannte Zulassung.
Juhu, Lukas hat ein neues Auto.
Geh mal weiter davor, komm, ich mach ein Foto.
Here.
Komm her.
We're going home. Yuhu. At natapos na din yung aming appointment for today's video. So alam nyo na guys, anong ginagawa namin dito. So sobrang excited kaming mag-asawa guys kasi ito talaga yung pinakauna-unahang car namin sa buhay naming mag-asawa. So grabe yung blessing talaga ni Lord sa amin and grabe guys, sobrang dali talaga ng transaction namin. Anyway, hindi pala namin nadala yung car pa uwi or yung sasakyan dahil sa kailangan pa nilang i-repair lahat-lahat guys. I mean, kailangan nilang i-check. Dito kasi guys, i-double check talaga nila kung meron bang sira at palitan yung mga dapat palitan before siya ibigay doon sa nagbili. Parang ganun siya guys. So ayun, yung nabili pa na namin na car guys, hindi siya brand new, second hand siya. Pero grabe guys, grabing ganda niya. Para siyang ano talaga, parang hindi siya nagamit. And after 1 week guys, tinawagan na kami na pwede na daw naming i-pick up yung aming car. Sobrang exciting! Hi guys, good morning today kay we're going to get the car. Our first car. Yes guys, and I'm gonna just woke up and I need to wash my face. I already wake up. We're gonna go in a few minutes. I don't have breakfast yet. Good morning! I can wash my face now. They're already finished guys, grabe. Tagal kasi namin natulog last night and yeah, ito yung ginagamit ko guys dito. Ang lamig. Ang lamig talaga. It's already autumn. It's not my first autumn. It's already my third time. First visit ko dito until October ako, and it's more cold in October. Sometimes it's raining. Pero yung ito talaga, this year is my first winter here in Germany. So, ay salamat. Mainit yung tubig. Sobrang saya ng asawa ko guys kasi we're gonna have our own car na talaga. Grabe guys. Sobrang sinihalit na. Nag-violet na. Malamig kasi guys. Violet na talaga yung lips ko pero mas naglala siya kasi malamig. Also, toothbrush ako and then we're gonna go.
Hello. Gonna get the car today.
Yeah. Ayaw, wala. Siyempre guys, gonna come my hair. Sandali lang, medyo ano yung matigas. Mag-cream muna tayo guys kasi parang mainit today. Nagsa-sunblock pa din ako although malamig dito. Pero minsan hindi ako nagsa-sunblock. Paubos na yung sunblock ko guys, pero meron pa akong natitira dyan. Matagal naman maubos yung isang ganito sa akin. Because ako lang gumagamit. So yun na, mag-lipstick tayo dahil kaya ang lips. Nag-pink siya, nag-violet. To get rice. To get rice, no rice. I'm dreaming of what? Kind rice.
Kein Reis, nee.
Ja,
Jetzt musst du Brot nehmen.
Brot
Ich möchte gerne
nehmen.
ein Croissant.
Ah,
Geld, Lukas?
Ja, ja.
Und Banana?
oh, it's kalt.
Romela und Lukas.
Ah.
Ja.
Hala, it's blow out eh.
Anleitung der Klimaanlage und das, was ich teilen wollte, ist hinten mit dem Funktionalen, da werden die Stationen alle. Das ist jetzt, da haben wir angefangen. Alle gemacht. Wunderbar.
Hi guys, nasa bahay na ako. Pero si Lucas at saka si Dad wala pa. Kasi kami ni Mama, kami yung nagdadrive. Kaming dalawa yung pauwi. Tapos yung si Dad and Lucas, sila dalawa naman nagdrive sa car. Hindi ko alam saan sila guys. Gonna try to look in the road. It's cold. Grabe, ang lamig be. Parang nasa aircon ako. Nag-worry ako guys, si Lucas nag-drive daw. Sana andyan na sila. Not yet guys. Tubista! So guys, we're gonna walk now. Actually, ganina na minabot nakatulog ko because it's very anong tawag nito? It's very early na nagising kami because we need to get the car at 11 a.m. in the morning. And yeah, pagkadating namin dito guys, I sleep. And then now I gonna walk a little bit. And then it's my first time to ride with Lucas. Diba? Yan yung car namin guys. Napakita ko na sa inyo diba kanina. Pero pakita ko sa inyo. Wait lang, tabunin na lang nato ang kuan. Ayan guys. Nakita. So, ayan. Bakit? Ikat ko na lang siya. Mama, do besta! So, ayan na guys. Nandito na ako. Dapat ko ka seatbelt. Lisod mo. You make warm? You warm?
It's already warm.
Already warm. Warm na dito sa sulod guys. It's already warm. Inside of the car. It's Lucas.
Hallo.
los.
Ja, warte doch.
Warte, Lucas macht die ab von
Was?
von der Kamera.
Was ist damit?
Die ab
Verbinden es mit der App.
von Dashcam. Hey Dad! Ist kalt dahin?
Ne, es geht.
Ist warm hier.
Hier.
Oh Gott, ist warm.
Ja,
ist
das,
kalt.
die Heizung ist auch, der Sitz ist auch beheizt.
Ja.
Ach so.
Kriegst einen warmen Popo.
Ja, ist warm.
Ja. Und warmen Rücken.
Mhm.
Und da
Hast
vorne
du-
kannst du warm machen da, ne, an dem mittleren Knopf da.
Nein, das ist so warm jetzt. So warm hier. Hier, komm rein und warm.
Nein.
Ja, schön.
Ja, ne?
Schönes Auto, ne?
Ja.
Sehr schön, ja.
Where are I?
Komm.
It's so, look guys, it's
Ja.
so small. Yeah. So we're gonna walk here guys. Yung hair ko dahil hindi na nagkadima o dahil. Where we start to walk. Nabuang. Sa kadong. Dili may mag-walking. So here we gonna walk guys. What is that here? We can go in?
Nee. Das ist von TVB. Bruckhausen. They like sail here and stuff like that. There you can see the logo of it.
Ah. You can do fishing?
No, I don't think they have fish here.
Maybe they have fish. Yoo-hoo! It's cold, oy. So guys, look. We've been there. There? Da?
Ja, genau.
We've been there, guys. Oh, they're good. Then we need to go. Where's it called?
Oder ne, nicht da, da hinten.
Ich glaube das.
Ne, da waren wir gerade da, aber dann waren wir da hinten.
Ach so, okay. Oh guys, how many hours we gonna go there? Because we need to go to the circle.
Mhm.
We need to...
Ja, dauert nicht so lange.
Nanisulanga tanawa gudong. Look at that, oh.
Vielleicht halbe Stunde noch.
Not
Stunde,
try.
Stunde.
Wag ni. Oo, nawong lakaw. Minyo tag German ani tanawa. Look at me. Walking is life. They grilled here. They grilled that thing. Maybe
Yeah.
there's fish. But look, there's a grass from. There's a grass there. My grass, guys. Tasan si grabe ka tinaw ang tubig. The water is so ano guys. Very clear. Tara na dong, gabiin na. It's already dark. What is that?
Like mini lobster.
So yeah, mini lobster, genau. Ayan.
Did we get it?
Nein, it's gonna bite you. Hey. It's gonna bite you, dude.
Interesting. Come here, dude.
Cool. It's gonna bite you. Think you can't eat it, oder? Doch.
Nein, nein.
Nangis
Wir
na.
haben nur nicht geguckt, ja.
Look guys, mini lobster. Hudong tama na.
Hey, where are you going? Oh.
Puang ka.